Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to make a giant or a skillet cookie. We begin by mixing 200 grams of brown sugar with 100 grams of white sugar, then adding 150 grams of brown butter. Melted butter could also be used here, but brown butter will add more flavour. After combining the butter and the sugar, we're going to add 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk which has been beaten, and mixing thoroughly. Then adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and optionally some vanilla extract, before mixing in. Next we fold in around 250 grams of plain flour until completely combined. Next we add the most important ingredient, chocolate. We added 2 roughly chopped bars of dark chocolate. We use dark chocolate as it will melt better than using milk chocolate, which could burn. Once we fold the chocolate in, we add it to our cast iron skillet. You could also use any type of metal baking tin or oven proof pan. We then bake in a preheated 180 degree oven for roughly 30 minutes, then allowing to cool for 1 hour before cutting into it. This was a delicious change to regular cookies and was ideal for sharing. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check our social medias in the description below.